Hello, everyone. This is Oliver, the General Manager of WOJIN. Today, let me compare the effects of old and new degassing valves after sealing. These two degassing valves are working with different diahead. The diameter of the needle less than is suitable for new valve, and the diameter of the needle less than is suitable for the old one. What will happen if diahead used to sealing the old valves? There will be damage on the edge of the small cover or scratches. When heavy objects are encountered during long-distance transportation, secondary damage may occur due to extrusion. Therefore, you need to match valves with a suitable diahead before place the order. If you have any questions, please leave me a message in the comments.